Now, when you look at the entirety of this place from the other side, space isn't the way that we have been told space is. None of the things that they have stated is actually accurate in that sense. And you have the firmament above, on a plane, and you have the construct, the place that we're in is fixed and immovable. And so when you look at biblically how they've stated the waters above, the water separated from the waters, God created the firmament, the earthly realm. Everything, the stars, everything is fixed. And space travel is not necessarily the way that they say space travel is. You can't have propulsion in a vacuum.
Well, the retired general says the US and Israel have kept it from the public because, quotes, humanity isn't ready until humanity can evolve, he says, and understand what space really is.
Space is literally just dimensional Stargate portals to access the entirety of the known construct universe into other realms as well. But you can't actually pierce the firmament above. They've tried to. This is where you get Operation Fishbowl and certain things as well that they've done to try to. But you're not piercing through. But the soul can. Your soul could pass through all of these things and access all of these things. And people will hate you for speaking this truth because people have been so deceived.
Hello, Neil and Buzz. I'm talking to you by telephone from the Oval Room at the White House. And this certainly has to be the most historic telephone call ever made.
It's just literally a normal car in space, which I kind of like the absurdity of that.
Could you tell us something about what the sky actually looks like from the moon, the sun, the earth, the stars, if any, and so on?
The sky is deep black when viewed from the moon, as it is when viewed from cislunar space, the space between the Earth and the moon. The Earth is the only visible object other than the sun that can be seen, although there have been some reports of seeing planets. I myself did not see planets from the surface, but I suspect they might be visible.
So you can see the stars.
Oh yeah.
And pretty much all the time you can see the stars.
It's not black and white. I mean, it's black, but there's all kinds of little polka dots.
There's all the stars there, and the cool thing is about it, you can see it during the day.
This is called gravity.
And taken away from their true state of the creation of this. Because when you understand that this place was created, you automatically, every single soul here starts to question again. Well, there's a purpose to you. There's a purpose to this creation. There's a purpose to us. Oh, and then you start questioning, well, if there's a purpose, then this whole place is intelligently designed. My body is intelligently designed. Everything in this place is intelligently designed based off, you could say, the creator. And so when you remember this place and all the lies and deceptions that have been told to us, you go back to the truth because you understand that you're not just this random thing or this little tiny thing in the Big Bang theory. Still a theory. Gravity's still a theory. It's all based on electromagnetic fields, densities, etc.